Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about the instructions for the syllabus quiz. The title of this PowerPoint is "What You Need to Know About the Syllabus Quiz." So, let's begin. So, I want to begin with frequently asked questions about the quiz. Things you can know, you should know before you take the quiz. So, question: how many times can I take the syllabus quiz? SQ. Uh, Answer: you can take this quiz 3 times to get the score that you desire. Blackboard is going to keep the highest grade out of the 3. Next question: will I be able to take the syllabus quiz after the deadline passes? Answer: yes. The syllabus quiz remains open until the end of the semester. However, keep this in mind, you will be penalized, have points deducted for taking the quiz late. Okay, remember that if you take the quiz late, you will have points deducted. Do I need to contact you for permission to take the syllabus quiz after the deadline? No, you do not. As I said before, the syllabus quiz remains open until the end of the semester. So there's no need for you to ask permission. Just go in and take the quiz. Blackboard is going to let me know that you took the quiz late, that it came in after the deadline, and then I will decide whether or not to penalize you and how many points I am going to penalize you for submitting the quiz after the deadline. So don't use this. This quiz is going to be open to the end of the semester. I just take it, do everything at the end. No, it doesn't work like that. Once you submit an assignment after the deadline, you lose points. You will be penalized for submitting that quiz late. Keep that in mind as you go, as you take quizzes throughout the semester. Next question. What if I have a valid excuse for taking the syllabus quiz after the deadline? Will I still be penalized? Yes. Remember, this is an asynchronous class. You work at your own pace to complete the assignments at the time you choose to work on the assignment, right? So if you wait until the last minute and suddenly you break your leg and you're in a hospital, well, the assignment was due on Monday. You broke your leg on Sunday. You could have submitted this before you broke your leg, right? So there is no valid excuse. And remember, I don't need an excuse, a university excuse, for a quiz or an assignment, right? Because you have a week to work on the assignment. You work on the assignment again when you have the time, but don't do it at the last minute and then send me some excuse about you that you are sick. And I'm like, well, you had a whole week to do the assignment. Why is it so late? Okay, make sure that you start your work early so that you can get the assignments done on time. Procrastination is not an excuse for not meeting deadlines. And again, if you are sick, it means you're at home anyway. Do your work. That's all I want. Just do your work. Do your work. Submit the work on time. You and I will have no problems. Things to remember. Let's talk about the syllabus quiz and things that you need to remember when you're taking the syllabus quiz. First thing I want you to always remember, this is an English class, and everything that goes with an English class applies to every writing assignment, every quiz that you take, okay? So the syllabus quiz is fill in the blank, and you have 20 minutes to take the quiz. I do set the timer for you on Blackboard. If you're still taking the quiz, over 20 minutes, Blackboard is going to submit what you have, okay? This is an English class, and you will be penalized for errors in spelling, capitalization, and word form. You need to study the highlights that are on the syllabus. I'll talk to you about that in another video. But look at the example I have here. Capitalization. You should know that the first word of a sentence should always be capitalized because this is an English class and you're going to be graded on grammar and mechanics in everything that you do. So the correct capitalization for this term, cheating, is the first word of the sentence. It should be capitalized. What happens if you put a lowercase c there as the incorrect example? Blackboard is going to mark your answer incorrect. Then you're going to send me an email saying, hey, I know I got all my answers correct. And I don't know why I got a 6 out of 10. Well, I'm telling you now why you got a 6 out of 10. You did not capitalize, you did not spell something correctly, or you used the wrong word form, okay? You are required to, in English class, get everything and get everything covered. So if you get a 6 out of 10 or a 7 out of 10 and you know you got your answers correct, the first thing you should think about is, hey, maybe I didn't spell a word correctly. Maybe I did not capitalize a word correctly. Remember what I told you? You have 3 opportunities to take this quiz. Don't call me. Just go back and take the quiz a second time and watch out for spelling, capitalization, and word form. Study the highlighted material on the syllabus. Make sure that you study the highlighted material on the syllabus. I will take your questions from the syllabus. Like the example, I'm just going to, what I did was just copy that sentence and then I left a blank space where the answer should go, okay? And again, remember, you can take the quiz 3 times in order to get the grade that you desire, okay? That's the end of our slideshow. Good luck on the quiz. Study the quiz. Get the highest grade that you need because these quizzes are going to help you get the A that you desire in the class at the end of the semester. As always, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me directly, and I will be happy to answer your questions. I will see you in the next video.